Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I found an old video that I realized that I had never edited and posted. It's from October 2020. I had seen Sarah Mack do some awesome pours on her channel. I will link her channel below and also the links to the two videos I'm talking about. One was called something like DustPanPour with negative space. Black, white, silver, and gold acrylic pour final series, and the other one, sophisticated dustpan pour. She was layering the colors like I'm doing here, side by side. So the four colors: gold, silver, white, and black. And then she put it in a dustpan and dragged it over the canvas. So that's what I'm doing also. This is an 80 by 80 centimeter canvas. And I don't have a dustpan, so I used this thing for a roller for painting walls instead. And yeah, I also want to apologize for the angle. This was before I got my painting area set up a little better with the camera. I still have some work to do, but yeah, unfortunately there's a lot of things here that you won't see. Like when I pull the paint out or pour the paint out on the canvas, unfortunately you'll just see the back of this white container. Sorry about that, but yeah, it was in October last year. I have improved a little since then. But yeah, there's not much more for me to say. I think I'll just leave it to you to enjoy, and I hope that you like this one. And yeah, see you again soon.